Ito po yung aking kare-kare. Simple lang po yan. Nilagay ko na lang po yung yan. So, medyo malapot na. Yan po yung kare-kare. Kasi yung mga girls, ito po yung request nila. Ang ginamit ko po ay spare rib na pork. Kasi bawal ang beef sa mga senior at mga nagda-diet. Ayaw nila ng pork kasi beef kasi mahirap i-digest. And besides, hindi siya advisable sa mga senior. So to be able for us to eat, so pork spare rib, less fat but delicious because especially close to the bone, the meat is so tender. So ito po yung simple kare-kare na ginawa ko. I just used talong, eggplant, and bok choy. Plus spare ribs with a little bit of pork loin. Yan. So yan po yan. Yung aming special recipe. A little pansit. And that's it. Mamaya bibili anak ko ng KFC chicken and we will have a Santos dinner at home. Simple but meaningful. Yan po. And pupunta na po ako sa garden at tapos na po ang aking pagluluto. Ito naman po yung hoya na bigay nung kaibigan ni Giselle. Tingnan ko po kung mabuhay siya dito kasi first time ko mag-alaga ng hoya. So, yan po sila. Yung po yung iba nakasabit. At maya ito po yung CC plant na 4 na taon na sa amin pero hindi lumalaki. At hindi naman siya namamatay. So, that's all for today po. Si Au Lucas again from Langley, BC. Ito po. Yan, yung aking mga apo nanonood. So, starting na po kaming maglagay ng Christmas decor kasi 1 month to go. Bear na po. Yan, ito na po yung ating ito yung iba pa nating halaman. Ito na po yung natitirang magandang CC plant. Ito naman po yung mga photos na nabuhay. Na po siya, 8 months na or more. So, yan. 3 po yung photos kung medyo healthy. Tapos po, yung iba naming mga hoya, yung iba po naming hoya ay nandito sa aquarium. Yan. Hinonvert ko na lang po siya para maging very useful. So, meron pa rin po akong isa pang hoya. No, this is not hoya. This is photos na medyo malalaking variety. Yan po siya. Itong aking rubber tree medyo not thriving so well. And also my philodendron. Yung philodendron ko siguro I need a little care. Papalitan ko po yung hindi siya happy. Yung fiddle leaf, ito na lang po yung kanyang dahon. I don't know what we're going to do. Sa one of my CC plant, inilipat ko ng pwesto ng dilaw. So, some plants are thriving, some aren't, but at least. So, ito na po yung aming dating lalagyan ng TV. Nilagay na po namin uli yung aming manger. Hindi ko na po pinatatanggal anyway. Mahirap po kasi magbalik at baka masira ang mga pieces. So, yan po. All together, all my angels are there. The Santo Niño is there. Yan po. So, yan lang po tayo ngayon sa araw na to. Special day ni Giselle. At ito ay isa sa event in our life that we celebrate the gift of birth. So, maraming salamat, Lord, for all the blessing, for good health, kahit na may sipon siya, for the investment she had, for good friends she has and everything. For the family, especially Elijah and Elena
And the Poggy boy.
and the Pogi boy according to him. Are you Pogi? Are you sure? What is your
I'm the
mess?
Poggy King.
What is your message for Tita Chel?
I love you.
And
That's it.
that's it? You did not greet her birthday?
Birthday. You said to get my birthday then birthday.
What is your message?
I hope you have a great day.
That's for you.
Sige. Say goodbye to our viewers. What will you say?
Bible.
Let's open up to 67 and it's
Happy.
Machoke. And Machoke has one
Poopy
illustration
day.
card that can be found in 151. So I grabbed 23 packs today.
Ang mga bata, laging merong ganun. So, yan lang po ang ating
We're currently on a record streak of pulling our chase Pokemon 3 days in a row.
just a greetings to all of us. Maraming salamat po for your continued support. And shout out sa lahat na nagse-celebrate ng mga birthday nila. Kahapon po birthday ng aking dating boss na August 10. Sabi po niya nung ako'y buntis, mga anak ka na ngayon para ka-birthday ko ang anak mo. But I gave birth the following day. So, yan po yung istorya. Yung boss kong si Mrs. Paula Lino, Paulette ang tawag nila. Lagi po niya akong binibigyan ng something. Kaming dalawa ni Deng, nakaka-receive sa kanya ng mga food. Sasabihin niya, o para sa mga baby niyo sa inyong tummy, may contribution. So, ito na nga po, tama po kayo. May contribution nga itong anak ko, si Giselle. Bye for now. Thank you for continuous viewing and subscribing. Shout out to Cynthia Agpalo sa Florida, my classmate. And I hope she's doing very well. Thank you so much. Bye.